Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your PDF files in Microsoft Edge. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to add a signature to a PDF file in Microsoft Edge, you just need to follow these steps really carefully. And you need to open the PDF file in Microsoft Edge. Once you have it open, you can go ahead to the section where you want to add your signature. I'm just going to use this random personal training contract. And to add your signature here, you can go up to where it says draw, and then you can click on this drop down here just to select a color. And you can also add the thickness of the pen or the line that you're going to draw. I'll keep it just like that. And then you can click on draw, and now you'll have this pen. So now you can just click and drag and sign this PDF file. And it might take some practice for you to get your signature exactly right, but this is just an example. And if you're not happy with your signature, you can just click on this eraser icon up here, and then you can erase your signature. Now, if you don't want to add your signature that way, you can also click on this text icon here, which will allow you to add text, where you can then also just type your signature and also change the color and the size and all of that, and you can position that like you want it. So once you're happy with that, you can just go ahead and click on save to save this PDF file, or you can also click on save as if you want to save it under a new file name. But that's how you can add signatures to your PDF files in Microsoft Edge. And I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.